Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you a homemade turmeric tea to boost the immunity, lose weight and fight virus. The world has come to a standstill due to the ongoing pandemic of COVID-19 virus. In this time of quarantine, it is very essential to improve your immune system and keep yourself healthy. You don't need to dig a hole into your pockets to make this magical drink. You can make this tea with a few natural ingredients found right into your kitchen. So this recipe comes from my grandma's kitchen and is well known since ancient times. It is a perfect brew to boost your immune system, ease your sore throat, fight the cough and keep the colds at bay. Let's see how to make this turmeric ginger tea at home. For this you will need 2-inch piece of ginger, finely grated, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a pinch of ground black pepper, 2 cups of water. Let's see how to make it. First, boil 2 cups of water and add freshly grated ginger. Once the water boils, add 1 teaspoon each of fennel seeds, cumin seeds and cinnamon powder. Also add a pinch of grounded black pepper. Bring this combination to boil. Lower down the flame after 2 minutes and add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and immediately turn off the flames. Let the mixture cool for 2 to 3 minutes and strain the tea. Add 1 teaspoon of honey, stir well, enjoy the warm, satisfying tea. Let's see what are the benefits of turmeric ginger tea. The chemical compounds in fresh ginger help the body to fight germs due to its antibacterial property. It also improves oral health as gingerol, a compound found in ginger, combats oral bacteria. Ginger roots have proved to be one of the best ingredients to fight cold and cough. It relieves sore throat due to its bioactive compounds as supported by scientific studies and traditions. Turmeric helps in increasing the immunomodulating capacity of the body and helps bolster the immune system. Fennel seeds. The high levels of potassium and calcium in fennel seeds assist the body in regulating blood pressure levels. Cumin seeds. Cumin seeds have high anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties which help combat your skin and your hair problems. Cinnamon has a high antimicrobial and antibiotic property which helps in boosting the immunity. It is also proven to prevent the risk of many heart diseases. Black pepper helps in relieving cough and cold as it stimulates mucus flow. It is known to be a natural cough suppressant. Please note, people who take blood thinners or who has diabetes should talk to their doctors or health experts before trying this tea or any turmeric supplement. I hope you like our video. You can subscribe and share with your friends and press the bell icon to get the notification from this channel.